The 6000 series has been a great analyzer for the year 2019. As we approach 2020, Leadtec has introduced a new version of the 6000 series that features a USB slot. As we know that the current 6000 series comes together with a built-in data logger. We have been using it to view records on our controller, but we could not retrieve them. There have been many requests to retrieve the data from the controller. Leadtec listens and now they are delivering it. So there will be new two features utilizing the USB slot. The USB slot is located at the back of the controller and you can access it here. To retrieve the data, press Mode, enter the new password, which is 1300. Select Download Records. And now it is saving the data from the controller into your flash drive. And completed. The second feature is the update program. So basically, this feature allows you to update the firmware of your controller. Now that we have saved the records in our flash drive, plug the flash drive into a computer and locate the flash drive. So this is the file from the controller. The PH represents the parameter of the controller, for this case, which is PH. The 6 represents the 6000 series, and the 133 is a special ID assigned to the controller. This is to avoid confusion. Say for instance, if you have 10 units of controller and you decide to retrieve all of them one by one, and after you've retrieved it, there will be 10 files instead of the files overwriting each other, and the save file will be a CSV file. So this will be the file. So we have the date, the time, the pH measurement, and the temperature.